Texas Supreme Court has taken more action in the Pardo case. Unfortunately, it's not a decision, but remember last week they asked the Attorney General's office essentially to brief the case for the executive branch. That was important. This week, the CPS asked for an extension on time to file their response. The Attorney General's office, through the Solicitor General, also asked for an extension. He asked for a 30-day extension, which the court gave him. That would make it October the 18th. But they also said any further extension would be disfavored. They understand that this is a serious issue and needs to come to some conclusion. The Attorney General's office really clarified that there were 3 reasons they were asking for this extension. I think those are important. One is they said they've got other cases. It's not really important to us. But secondly, they pointed out that they would like to work with the 2 parties for a possible settlement. And of course, we're really focused and all about bringing Drake home, and we would obviously be in favor of that. But thirdly, they pointed out that the status hearing that happened at the lower court on August the 9th, they do not have any court record, evidence, or court orders from that case. And they obviously want that to review because they believe that's material. We agree with that. You remember the August 9th hearing was a hearing when CPS wanted the family to be forced by the court to adopt a family plan that they, again, did not include the family. They violated state and federal law, the development of that family plan. They also wanted the family essentially to acknowledge committing medical child abuse. They wanted the mom to admit that she had mental issues and the dad that she had serious mental issues, none of which is true, and so they refused to do that. Obviously, if the court had made that a court order, they would have then been in a situation, if they don't admit things that are not true, they can't get their child back. So thankfully, the court rejected that effort for a plan. Told CPS, look, you need to expedite the home study to be able to put Drake in another family member's home. They gave her 2 weeks to do that. It's been 7 weeks now, still not done. So obviously, CPS doesn't believe that the law applies to them. So click on the links below for more information. You can look at some of the other amicus briefs that have been filed. And please continue to pray for the family, pray for Drake, pray for the judges in this decision. Thank you for continuing to donate to help us. The longer this goes on, the more difficult it is for the family and the more expensive it is. So thank you for your help and your prayers, and thank you for helping us keep Texas families free.